Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Trick Part 2. Be really fast. In the last video, the man had a problem with using the attribute eyedropper to take a sample of this and watch how it makes this one smaller because it's gaining off that size. So I started thinking about it after I let that video publish. If you will grab that one, go to Edit and copy properties from the fill, say OK, and then put the arrow on the one you want to copy, and it did not change the size. So this would make life easy on kind of this one. Let's see if it works on the other ones. It'll work, I just don't know about the color. And we'll just, because I think it's gonna go backwards, but we'll see. So click on the one that you want the copy to go to, edit, copy properties, fill from this one, and see it made it the opposite. It still might save you a little bit of time because you could always get the interactive fill tool back and just swap this over. But you could, by that time, you could have it done. But if two things are equal, and you could realistically rotate this 120 degrees if you were that particular and you wanted all of them perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.